Jenny, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another DIY. Like the title says, we are making a lace teepee today. My sister-in-law actually is having like a photo shoot thing for her little girl. I know she's trying to be extra because it's her first baby and it's totally fine. This is the photo that she sent me as an inspiration. I mean, I'm gonna try my best. I don't know if I'm gonna meet her expectations. It's totally fine if she doesn't want to use it because I know she has a backup. And I know I just made a present or like a big poof for my other niece. Like, if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. But yeah, there's a lot of September babies because, you know, parents get down in Decembers, you know, like if you're old enough, you know. Let's go ahead and get on to the video. Woo! All right, so some materials that you're going to need are some wooden dowels. I got myself 4 and these are from Walmart. They're about 2.5 feet long. I think it's gonna be big enough for, you know, her to chill in if she wants to. She's only 1. Grabbed myself some of these pretty flowers from Amazon. I think these were $10 because, you know, the sister-in-law is a little bit bougie. I'm just kidding. Maybe she is, but she doesn't know it. And then I got myself some lace fabric, and this one was from my local fabric store. I got about 1.5 yards, and it was only $7. I think that was a pretty good deal because I think Joann's was a little bit more expensive. And look, it stretches. Really like this lace and so glad that I was able to find something like this for a good price. So let's go ahead and start building our tent. I'm gonna push you back. You guys can't see if I'm trying to build this, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and push you back. So I got these wooden dowels from Walmart for only $97. $97? Woo! 97 cents. To be honest, I didn't even know Walmart sells wooden dowels. I think I'm gonna spread it in like clockwise, you know what I mean? So I made this little zip tie thing, guys. So put 2 together like this, put that through, perfect. That way it stands while I'm trying to figure out the size that I want it to be. Oh no, what the? I'm having troubles, okay, spreading it apart. So far all I did was put a zip tie through the sticks and spread it apart. She can fit underneath here, right? So all I did was put a zip tie through the stick right here and where it's like facing clockwise. That's all I did so far, and I'm kind of spreading it apart to see how wide I want these like ends to be. So I'm gonna measure that out because I want them to be even. Let's do 2 feet is too small. Hi, what's up? So I thought it was gonna be a really cute idea to add like a nautical rope around the teepee, but then I realized that we are gonna put flowers on there. You're not really gonna see it anyways, so I pretty much just trashed that idea. So instead of doing that, I just used a bunch of zip ties to secure it, and I used about 6 in total. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay out my lace fabric on top of the teepee. Honestly, for this 2.5 foot teepee, I could have gotten away with just 1 yard of lace fabric, but if you like that more droopy and drapey look of the fabric laying on top of the teepee, then 1.5 yard would be great. So I took some macrame cord about like 12 inches long and I just cut that out so I can tie the lace fabric to the teepee so it's secure. Aren't these flowers so pretty? I mean, they better be because I paid $10 for them off of Amazon. If you want to get some yourself, I'll leave the description down below. So the next step is actually pretty simple. All I did was just snip off the flowers from the stem using a wire cutter. Trust me, it's so much easier than using scissors. I just snipped it off and I started arranging them around the teepee. I wanted like a full look around the whole teepee and not just the front. So you see me placing like flowers back and forth just to make sure that I'm covering the whole entire teepee. So you can definitely hot glue these flowers onto the wooden dowels directly instead of leaving it on the stems, but because I wanted to give the option for my sister-in-law to, you know, rearrange it if she does want to, I left the stems and I just used that to wrap around the wooden dowels. So it's not the securest way to do it. Securest is not even a word, but yeah, I just gave that option to her. If you like the way it is, then just glue it directly on there. That way you know it won't fall off. So this is definitely optional, but I just took my fluffy throw blanket and I put it inside of the teepee so it adds a little bit more of like a, you know, like a girly touch to it. I don't know. It's girly enough, but you know, more. Since we're already being extra with this whole photo shoot and everything, I thought we can just add a little bit more extra to it and add some twinkle lights to the teepee, and look how freaking cute it adds to this whole entire decor. I mean, look how cute it is. I love it. I definitely can see this being in like a baby girl's nursery room or like a girl's room in general. So cute. I thought the DIY came out really cute, and I hope that you guys liked it as well. Make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out my other videos right up there, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! There's a helicopter for like the past hour. Please let me just finish!